This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a Scrip issue. A Scrip issue is also commonly referred to as a bonus issue and involves issuing a security at no cost. In this example, we will process a Scrip issue in ABC plc for a client that has 110 shares that cost £110,000. The client will be entitled to a Scrip issue of 1 share for every 20 shares owned on the record date. The value of the ABC plc shares on the record date is £10,000 per share, and fractional entitlements will be returned to the client. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the reorganisation types ID to 15 for Scrip issue same stock. If the Scrip issue cannot be sold and is classified as non-renounceable, then set the reorganisation types ID to 17. Both types create the same outcome, with the only difference being the classification of the event. We will set arbitrary record and X dates as they are not defined in this example. Set the new issue ratio to 1 and the old issue ratio to 20 to implement a 1:20 issue ratio. Fractional entitlements will be returned to the client, therefore set the fractional value to false to round down the holding. To return fractional entitlements, set the fractional return value to true. Set the valuation price to £10,000 per share, as cost has to be apportioned to the fractional entitlement. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. The returned fractional entitlement was valued at £5,000 and is therefore considered large cash as defined by the HMRC. £476 of cost is apportioned to the large cash payment, with the cost of the ABC plc shares adjusted accordingly.